Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez, MIU session 1310, and this is Project 3. Before I start, I wanted to show the professor something real quick. I didn't realize last week that my CRUD wasn't working. The reason why it wasn't working was because I was trying to work on the search, trying not to make it into this filter thing, instead make it into an actual search, and instead of me commenting everything out, I actually forgot to comment certain parts of that code out. So instead of just finding them, I went back to the video, I found them, deleted them, and I'll just work on that later. But as you can see, it does work. Everything should be working fine. See, should be working. There we go. If I do that, this should show that. So it should work fine when you click on it. Everything should be good to go no matter what. Now onto my actual app. Obviously this is the beginning part. So what as far as the easiest part was actually just setting up the form itself. Do that instead. The form itself was actually easy to set up. Once again, jQuery is still very impressive. I absolutely love it, and yeah, I don't have no issues with it. The difficult part was JavaScript itself. JavaScript is still, I'm still trying to put two and two together with JavaScript, you can say. It's not that I don't get it, it's just I'm trying to figure out the best way to put certain things together. As you can see, this is my JavaScript code, and you see I started on some of the stuff already. I already know that I'm supposed to edit out certain things to make sure that it functions well with the form. I'm just leaving it up there just so then when the time comes to work on it, I can start working on it. That doesn't mean that this thing's working, because it's not. It's not really saving into anything. I tried figuring out through the amount of time that I had, but I would rather get a low grade than get a 0. So, yeah, I did my best to figure it out. It seems like the validation is working, especially the fact that I actually tried doing something like this with the document. I tried putting in the index, the hashtag index, and that didn't work for some reason. So I put it in on document, and it's been working fine ever since. As far as what I used for previous courses, obviously it was VFW. VFW was probably the easiest thing to put in because it was already there. The resources was already there. It was just about trying to set it up with the form that we had set up already. What I used as far as research was always jQuery mobile, the jQuery mobile website. That is my best friend right now because I just like going in there and trying to figure out exactly what I couldn't find. If there's something there that is not actually there, I go on Google and I do my best to actually find it on there. But other than that, it's been jQuery mostly. And unfortunately, I didn't have any aha moments. I was really hoping for one. I was really hoping I could set this up and be like, aha, I got it. But no, it wasn't. There wasn't anything. If there is, then I would say it's this. I got this working. The rangefinder. It does have. I can also change it here, so that's fine too. There we go. So this works. If there's some kind of aha moment, then it's that. Before I go, I wanted to show you the validation real quick. So just to show you that the validation on the date works. As you can see, it does work. So I need to put in a proper date. So let's just put it like that. Unfortunately, when I click on it, it doesn't save, but it does have that validation going in. And as you can see, there's nothing stored, but in the console, it shows up like this. So I don't know. I don't really understand why it's showing up like this. I don't know if it means anything. If somebody can tell me, then that would be great. But other than that, as you can see, it's showing up on here. So it's not like it's completely, utterly broken. There's something working. It's just that it's not working very well. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good night and good luck with the project that you're working on now.